These AI unique bird videos are going absolutely viral on social media right now, and I strongly think this is going to be the next viral AI trend. Now watch what I had created with AI in just 2 minutes. Here is full method how you can create these for free. First, all you need is this prompt. You will find its link in description. Copy the first prompt and head over to ChatGPT. Here, paste the prompt in the prompt box and hit enter. Then GPT will instantly generate 10 completely rare birds' name for you. Once you select the bird, go back to the prompt file and copy the video generation prompt. Paste the video prompt in GPT. Here, come to bird name section and paste the bird you had selected. Then hit enter. Within seconds, GPT will provide us a detailed master prompt with all the required setting. Now copy this master prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Here, switch to video mode. Select your desired aspect ratio and select OmniFlash as your video model. Set the video duration to 10 seconds. Once everything ready, paste the prompt in the prompt box. Now click Generate. Wait a few seconds while Google Flow creates your unique bird video. And here it is. Your video is ready. You can create as many videos you want using this with the master prompt I had provided. If this video helped you, like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming viral niches.